Hugging Face is one of the largest and most active open source AI communities you might have heard of. And probably you may not be aware of that they also have their own version of ChatGPT. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about HuggingChat. Use or utilize so many models depend on your need. So let's see how we can get started. For that, you simply need to type HuggingChat. And this will basically open this website, and here we need to click on this first link, which is huggingface.co.chat, and it is actually up to us whether we would like to log in, or we can even work with it without logging in. Now when we see its interface, however, as I said before, we can actually choose the model that we want to use. For example, here I would like to go with the default one, which is Cohere for AI. That also comes with several tools. So if I click here on bottom, here I can see that this particular model offers us web search, URL fetcher, document parser, image generator, image editor, and calculator. So this model comes with all these kind of capability. Now let's say you didn't like the performance and output of this model, then what we can do here is we can again go to model, and now based on our need we can change our model. So now here you can see my current model is LLaMA with 70 billion parameter. And this is really good actually, because when we try to install this locally, it doesn't run that fast. When I try to run LLaMA 3 with 70 billion parameter locally in a high-end system, it was not even able to respond smoothly. Now, just like ChatGPT, you can always ask HuggingChat to deliver or create something. Now let's again click here on model. Now here we can see that we have got model available from various leaders. For example, Meta, then there is a Mistral model, and then we can also see Google Gamma and Microsoft Pi as well. So based on our need, we can choose these models and can use them. Now here, not only we have got customization available for model, but for visual appeal as well. We have option to either choose from dark as well as bright theme. Now if I click here on assistants, here we can see we have got these different varieties of assistant, including ChatGPT Plus, which I would say is really nice to see, because this way actually we can utilize other models as well. And as I said before, even the default model of HuggingChat gives us all kind of options that include image generation, web search, and image editing. And we also have got option of uploading files. Definitely I think one should also check out HuggingChat for their generative AI content requirement, as this platform is very versatile and kind of gives us so many models and assistants as well. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.